Welcome Persians, let's learn Algebra 1 and our topic is Logarithms. So I'm Engineer Melvin John H. Banzuelo. So problem number 1 sa logarithm. Given log 6 plus x log 4 equals log 4 plus log 32 plus 4 over x, find the value of x. Okay? So given log 6 plus x log 4 equals log 4 plus log 32 plus 4 raised to x, find the value of x. So first solution using calculator is shift solve. Another solution using calculator is using calc lang. Okay, pressing calc. That is the reverse method para makuha natin yung value ng x. Okay? So, ayan po siya. So, what we will do is to reverse the process. Ang ibig sabihin po, kukuha tayo ng values sa choices, substitute natin sa x. And kung sino man yung makapagbibigay ng 0 na value nito, yun po yung correct answer. So, ang question, paano ba naging ganito yung forma? Itong log 4, transpose mo sa left side, kaya nagiging minus log 4. Ganon din itong log 32 plus 4x, transpose mo sa left side, kaya minus log 32 plus 4x. Therefore, may specific value ng x para maging equals to 0 ito siya. Isa doon sa apat na nasa choices. So, yun yung hahanapin natin. So, ito yung itatype natin sa calculator, press calc, and ito yung mga values na itetest natin. Yung values na nasa choices. So, gamit ang calculator, input po natin yung given. So, instead of equals, minus po. So, minus yung nasa right side, transpose po natin sa left side. So, input po natin, that is log 6 from the given plus x log 4 alpha x log 4. So, instead of equals, that is, pwede tayong minus. So, minus log 4, and then minus log 32 plus then 4 raised to x. Okay? Then, after that, press natin calc, and then yung x natin yung nasa choices. Okay? Let's try letter A. Paglalabas na 0 yung sagot, then therefore, paglalabas 0, then therefore yun po yung correct answer. Pag hindi, proceed tayo sa next letter. So, let's say, let's try letter A, which is 2. Pag press ko ng equal, if 0, then therefore letter A yung answer. If not, proceed to letter B. So, press equal. Ayan. Hindi po 0, so therefore, hindi po correct answer si A. So, proceed na tayo kay letter B. Press naman tayo ng equal, ng calc. Yung letter B, that is 4. Press equal, hindi rin 0. So, hindi na rin correct answer si B. So, eliminate na po natin si A at saka si B. Press calc ulit. So, press calc, yung sa C that is 3. Press equal, ayun. So, therefore, the correct answer is letter C, that is x equals to 3. Okay, so the correct answer here is letter C. Letter C, that is 3. Problem number 2, if log 2 equals x and log 3 equals y, find log 1.2 in terms of x and y. So, ayan, log 2 equals x, log 3 equals y, and then hahanapin yung log 1.2 in terms of x and y. So, again, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitan ito ng calculator. So, using again the calculator, so input natin log 2, then store po natin kaagad yan kay x. Kasi nga, sa given, log 2 equals to x. And then another is log 3. Store din natin kaagad yan kay y. Okay, so meron na tayong value for x and value for y. And then, meron tayong log 1.2 kasi yun din yung sa given. Store lang natin yung kaagad kay a. Okay? So, yan po yung si 1.2. Then, punta tayo sa choices. Now, sa choices, you have 2x plus y minus 1. So, pwedeng input mo muna yan. So, choice 2x plus y minus 1. And then, i-store mo kaagad yan kay b. Okay. So, again, yung value for letter A na store na natin kay B, and then para ma-check natin if si A is correct answer, test natin A minus B. Pag 0 po ang result nito, then therefore, letter A yung correct answer. If hindi, proceed tayo kay letter B. Okay? So, let's press equal. Ayun, 0. So, therefore, yung correct answer po dito is letter A. Problem number 3, if 3 log x minus log y equals 0, express y in terms of x. Ito, napakadali lang naman itong i-manual, pero again, itatry ko ipakita pa rin pag-calcu para lang masanay po tayong mag-calculator. Okay? So, para sa time na medyo complicated na po yung mga equation, sanay na po tayo mag-calculator. Okay? So, ayan, 3 log x minus log y equals 0, then express y in terms of x. So, ayan po siya. Yan po yung ita-type natin sa calculator. So, gamit ulit yung calculator. Input po natin yung given. 3 log x. Ayan, 3 log x minus log y. Okay? So, equals to 0. So, let's try to solve for y. Okay, let's try to solve for y. Wala naman tayong value for x. So, pwede tayo mag-assume ng value for x. Let's say we will assume the value for x na 2. Again, gaya na sinabi ko before, wag pong gumamit ng assume values na 0 or 1. Okay, iwasan pong gumamit ng assume values na 0 or 1. So, let's shift calc. Yung x natin is 2. Then, press equal, solve for y. So, solve for y, that is y equals to 8. Now, yung 8 na to is nasa y na po yan. Nakasave na po yan dito kay y. Okay. So, now, let's check choices by choices. So, umpisa tayo sa letter A. So, sa letter A, you have x cubed. Okay. And we all know, may value din tong x natin. Recall natin, yung x natin is 2. Yan po yung assumed value natin. And then, yung na-solve natin based on equation, yan po yung value ng y. Now, sa letter A, you have x cubed. Okay? X cubed. Yan po yung letter A. Then, x cubed, letter A po yan, isa-subtract po natin sa value ng y. Now, if mag-0 po siya, then therefore, that is the correct answer. Okay? Or balik na rin natin. Kasi parang itinranspose natin, di ba, sa letter A, y equals x cubed, parang tinranspose natin si x cubed to the left side, minus x cubed. So again, if 0 po yung lalabas, that is the correct answer. If hindi, then therefore, proceed tayo kay letter B. So sa letter B, y minus x squared po yun. I-type natin. So letter C, y minus x. Letter D, that is y minus 3x. Okay? So, dito muna tayo sa letter A. Press natin yung equal. Ito yung letter A, y minus x cubed. Press equal. Ayun. So, ang sagot dito is letter A. That is y equals to x cubed. Okay, so the correct answer is letter A. Okay, so yun po for Algebra 1 logarithms. And for more practice po, gamitin po yung PMM or yung Passer's Mastery Module na app natin. And then, saan po mahahanap itong logarithm sa PMM? So, select natin yung trigonometry. Andun po siya sa trigonometry ng PMM. And then, sections 2.1 and 2.